File Explorer is a tool on your computer that helps you browse, manage, and organize your files and folders. Let's look at this tool, and we're going to break it down into sections to make it easier to use. To use File Manager, you need to click on the icon, the little symbol on your taskbar. Your taskbar is along the bottom of your screen, and the symbol you need to click is the yellow folder. Here's what it looks like in Windows 10. If you don't have that icon, that symbol on your taskbar, click in the search bar that's on your taskbar, Windows 11 or Windows 10, and type in the word File Manager or Folder. Then click on File Explorer from the list. Imagine your computer's File Explorer is like a house. This section on the left is called the navigation pane. The navigation pane is like this map. It shows you all the rooms in your house, or in this case, all the folders on your computer. Each folder is like a different room containing specific items. But the map doesn't show you what's in the room. It just shows you which rooms you have. Now, when you click on a folder in the navigation pane, it's like opening the door to that room. Now you're in that room. Let's say you're in the kitchen. But in your computer's case, on File Explorer, you're inside of that folder. The display pane on the right shows you everything that's inside that room, inside that folder, all the files and other folders. So if you click another folder or a drive in the navigation side, it's like walking into another room. You're going to see the contents of those folders in the display area. And this section is called the address bar. And this can be a really helpful section. It tells you exactly where you are, so you know which room or folder you are exploring. Think of it as a sign on a door that tells you exactly what the name of this room is. In this case, looking at the address bar, we are in the Documents folder. Let's say I want to look inside of the Invoices folder. The address bar is showing me now that I am in the Invoices folder, which is in the Documents folder. It is showing me the address of the folder I am looking at right now. And in fact, I can use the address bar to jump around to different folders.